Hi there. I thought I might give you kind of a quick rundown of what I've been doing with this The Thing color correction project I've been doing. So you seemed interested in it. So here is a folder that I've made. I've just started capturing this movie, so I don't have many screen caps in here right now. But I'm going to pull up two of them right now. This is actually from the 2K scan right here. And this one is from the 4K scan. Same screenshot, but as you can see, the colors are very different. I personally, I think it's kind of a wash either way, but a lot of people do seem to prefer the colors on the 2K scan over here, even though this is a better scan of the film and it has more detail. This 2K scan has the illusion of having more detail because they used artificial sharpening. So this one has the illusion of being softer, but it actually is not. So anyway, but what I'm going to try to do is use the superior 4K scan and match these colors, and that's what I've been doing. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going into Premiere here, and each of these areas here that you'll see light up down here on the bottom, each of these represents a cut in the film. So every shot that changes, that's a cut that I am applying a color correction filter to. I'm doing this shot by shot because that's really the only way to do it correctly. Now this is shot 10 right here. This is the same shot that I was looking at a minute ago. It's just a little bit different. See, that's closer to where we were at. But it's this shot right here that I'm wanting to color correct. So this is the 4K version right here with the original colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my color correction program, which is right here. And I'm sorry, I opened up the wrong one here. There we go. This actually is the command line process right here. This is the user interface. So the first thing I do is import my test image. Now the test image is going to be the one that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be matching. So the first thing is to go to my thing directory. Test images from my 4K. So I'm on actually shot 10 of 11 that I've taken so far. So the 4K is going to be my test image. My reference image is going to be the one I'm using for color, which is going to be the 2K. So I'm going to go to 10. So I want to use this one for color. And then I'm going to build a color matching model. And that is basically going to take the 4K, convert the colors to what's on the 2K, and give me a file to then implement a color matching algorithm to this entire shot in Premiere. So as soon as that's done, which will only take a few seconds, alright, when that goes away, you can close this and you export a LUT. Let's see, and then I'm going to put that in the LUT folder. I'm on shot 10, so I'm going to rename this shot 10. And then when that pops up in Premiere, see up here it says input LUT, and right now it says none. I'm going to go to browse. I'm already on my folder. As soon as that number 10 pops up, it's still creating it, which should be anytime. There it is. Alright, now watch the shot over here when I click this. Boom. Now that applies to that entire shot. So now those colors will now match the 2K, but it will have the 4K detail. I've already done that up to this point on all these shots. So you can see this one had number 8 applied to it. So I'm going to go to none. That's how it looked originally. And then apply number 8. And it's a very different color scheme, but that's kind of the idea of what I'm doing.